Hey guys, in today's video I thought it'd be really cool to focus on headstands and all the incredible benefits of headstands. They are literally phenomenal, and it just seems like yesterday I was not able to do a headstand and here we are today. So if you don't know how to do one, keep watching and this video will help you. I'm going to share with you the number one exercise that enabled me and basically gave me the strength to be able to do a headstand. I'm also going to get into all the incredible benefits headstands have to offer. The main benefits of headstands is that it increases the blood flow to your brain. You will literally feel it, like you feel the rush. It helps to make you quicker and sharper, and also help to improve your eyesight, as obviously the blood's flowing to your whole entire head. Can prevent headaches. It can also help to promote weight loss as it boosts your digestion, and it also stimulates and strengthens your abdominal organs, like strengthening your core basically. It basically also balances out all of your chakras, and if you don't know, chakras are like the energy pools within the body, like massive energy centers within the body, and when they get out of alignment, you ultimately become out of alignment yourself. Headstands can give you such a rush of oxygen and energy to your brain, literally helping you to like think new thoughts, new innovation, and like changing your perspective. When you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. This is so true. Whenever I'm in like a crazy mood, I get into a headstand and it always helps me to feel better. It has been proven to help to alleviate stress and depression and anxiety. It can also enhance your lung capacity, which is amazing, as the more oxygen and circulation that flows within the entire body, the more healing can take place. You can practice this version first until you maintain balance. Placing your hands grounded on the floor this way is much easier and suitable if you're a beginner. And get comfortable doing this version. It will really help you to maintain your balance, and then once you feel comfortable with this, then you progress onto the forearm. And I must stress, none of the weight is actually on your head. The majority of the whole weight is actually on your forearms. So that's where like the strength is from your forearms. And I'm just showing you Dolphin pose, which is one of the main poses that actually help you and promote strength within your body to enable you to actually hold yourself during a headstand. And of course, whilst you're practicing or learning, you can use the wall. I absolutely swear by headstands, and I feel like they help to boost your mood. Like whenever I feel stressed or anxious or feel like I want to go negative, when I get into a headstand, I ultimately feel better straight away. And this is also like a variation where you eagle your legs, which feels amazing. Headstands are also great for strengthening your core and also improving your digestive system as well. Always ensure to warm up your neck before attempting headstands, so you can do neck rolls. Warming up all the muscles in the joints, which also help to prevent injury. And when you place your head down, you want to find the sweet spot, which is like your crown. But like I said, hardly any of the weight should be on your head. You're more holding the weight with your forearms. And the exercise I'm going to share with you is going to build up the strength in your forearms and your shoulders and also your core as well, to really engage all of your muscles to hold your weight up. And you clasp your hands together like so, kind of like creating a triangle. So then you place your head in between the triangle. And one of the things I really want to talk about as well whilst doing this is you gotta have self-belief. Like really believe in yourself. Believe that you can do this, because you can. And I feel like when you lack that self-belief, that's when you end up like falling over. But if you believe you are strong enough and you're powerful and you can hold yourself, that's when you do. Everything starts from the mind. Believe you can and you will, and I believe in you because I believe in me. And I'm actually speaking from experience, you guys, because I always used to think that I couldn't do this. And literally I can, and I feel so accomplished and so proud of myself. And you should literally like make this like your playtime, you guys, because that's what it is. It's so fun. Like, get upside down and just play, and don't put pressure on yourself, and stay consistent, and before you know it, you will do it. Look what happens when divine feminine energy meets divine masculine energy. It basically equals creation. It's okay to fall over, you guys, because it might happen. Just get straight back up, and make sure you do this like on a soft surface, or preferably against the wall. Don't be so hard on yourself. Have fun. Like, be like a child. Like, look, whenever a child's doing something, like especially learning how to walk, they fall down like a million times, but they never say this isn't for me. They just get back up and try again. I said, can I lean on him? And this is the moral of the story, you guys. You gotta hold yourself up. You are literally so powerful. You don't need to lean on anyone, because you got yourself. Because watch what's gonna happen. Literally. So now I'm just going to quickly show you how I really warm up my neck before getting into the headstand, and then I'm going to share with you the number one exercise that helps. So I'm just doing neck rolls, and then I'm gonna like nod my head, making sure all the muscles and joints are warmed up, and then move my head side to side. And then I'm also gonna like stretch my neck to one side to make sure it's really stretched out and warmed up properly. This prevents any injury. You can also roll your shoulders as well, releasing any tension in the shoulders and the upper body. So the exercise that really helps to strengthen your upper body and your core and enable yourself to basically hold a headstand unsupported is this. You get into dolphin and then you lower to plank. And if you keep practicing this consistently, you guys, before you know it, one day you wake up and you'll be able to do a headstand unassisted. So really utilize your breath here, guys, really using the core and the shoulders to really like power you through this. And as you lower into plank, exhale, and then as you raise up into dolphin, inhale, you will really feel it strengthening your upper body. And the key is to keep breathing through it. Inhale, exhale, you got this. And you can work your way up. Say you start off doing 10 and then build up to 20, 30, and just like do what feels good for you. Consistently building your strength. And always remember to like be patient and kind with yourself. Show yourself love for your practice. And where you are is exactly where you need to be. Like, and enjoy your journey, because it truly is the best part, you guys. And like any progress, no matter how small, is progress. progress is progress. Literally celebrate it and like be proud of yourself for showing up. Headstands not only calm the mind, they also activate the pituitary and the pineal glands. It helps to really stabilize your mood. It also enhances your lung capacity, so allowing like more oxygen into your body, and oxygen literally heals everything, you guys. Just taking a deep big inhale as we raise our arms all the way up. And also guys, I'm still a work in progress with my headstand. I've just recently learned how to like bring my legs straight, and it just goes to show you how a lot of it is so mental. It's like to do with our thoughts, because when I'm at home and I do the headstand, I can straighten my legs because I feel safe, because I do it like against a wall, or like I know that the sofa's behind me, so if I land in a gentle surface. But when I was outside, my mind was like just being so terrified of straightening my legs. And it just goes to show you how like literally everything is a mindset. If you believe you can, you will. And if you believe you can't, you won't. Never ever allow fear to control you. I feel like this is such a metaphor for life, because when you're constantly in your head thinking and thinking and thinking, you're literally creating like such like misery, whereas if you're actually in the present moment, you can balance and you can do it. Caden also loves to headstand too, which makes me so happy. I love to see it. Headstands can also help to prevent headaches as well. And when you're doing your dolphin to plank, ensure that you bring your plank as straight as possible. That will really help like to really build the strength, and ensure to really engage your core as well. And find like the crown, the center of your head, and then lift up slowly. And also try like when you come back down to come back down really slow and gentle, so you don't hurt your feet. Lowering your legs slowly and controlled, using the strength of your core. Eagling your legs also helps like to strengthen your core and like really improve your balance, and like a little stretch on your legs as well. At that time I kind of lost balance, as you can see. So ultimately, if you want to achieve a headstand, the dolphin to plank is literally your best friend, and keep practicing it consistently and have fun and enjoy your journey. Try not to get impatient, as patience is everything, and these things take time and endurance and perseverance, and you got this. Know that you can do this. Believe in yourself. I really hope that this video helps you, and you can start by doing 10 a day and then increase it to 20 or 30, and then just keep upping it as you do. And enjoy, like literally enjoy your headstand journey, because truly I've already said that, but it is the best part. It's so fun, and I really want you to feel accomplished at all of your progress that you're gonna make. Wishing you nothing but peace, love, and light from my heart to yours. I shall see you guys in my next upload. Thinking to create a video on hip openers, so stay tuned, you guys.